Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you watching this video. How are you all? I hope you all will be doing fabulous. Welcome to the online class, dear students. Dear students, you have to take a lot of care of your health as well, as this time you have to be more careful. You have to follow all the SOPs against COVID-19. Okay. Dear students, our today's topic is the Red Cross. This is lesson number 10. We have already read this lesson from our book Understand and Communicate, book 2, and I have already explained this lesson in my previous video. So today we have to do the back exercise. The back exercise, choose the best answer, which is on page number 48 and 49. So kindly open your books and we have to do the back exercise, choose the best answer. The first statement or the first question given in this exercise is, what did Dunant do on the battlefield of Solferino? So there are four options given under this question, and the best answer to this question is option B. He organized a volunteer group and attended to the wounded soldiers. Now moving forward to the next statement, statement 2 or question 2, what sort of society did Dunant suggest should be formed? So there are four options given for this question. The first option A society to train soldiers for war? No. Number B, a society to give help to the wounded in wars? Yes, this is the true statement. A society to comfort the families of those killed in wars? No. A society, number D option is a society to give help to victims of tidal waves. So number B statement is the best answer to this question too. Moving forward to the third question, what happened during the conference at Geneva? Yes, have you remembered? There are four options given here. The first option A, they signed a treaty to form the Red Cross. Yes, have you remembered that this is the best answer to this question? All the three other options are not the answers for these questions. Number B option, they discuss the setting up of international relief organization. No. In the conference of Geneva, they signed a treaty to form the Red Cross. So now moving forward to the last question of this exercise, and this is, which of the following statement is true? The first option, the Red Cross workers are volunteers trained by the society. Yes. Number B, the Red Cross workers are prisoners of war. No, they were not the prisoners of war. They were the volunteers. Number C option, the Red Cross workers are representatives of European countries. No, my dear students, the representatives are not from the European countries. They are the volunteers. They can come from any country. Or number D, the workforce of the Red Cross is made up of people who have suffered in wars. No, the workforce of Red Cross was not made up of the people who have suffered in wars. So the best answer to this question is the Red Cross workers are volunteers trained by the society. Okay. So this is our work for today. That is all for today, and you have to choose the best exercise on your books on page number 48 and 49. And girls, you have to learn this exercise as well. Okay, take good care of yourselves. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.